So once we are through with what all features the client gets at their end, now let's understand certain other options that we have in the module. The other option is the insight section, as in the summary of whatever the client is eating. By clicking on the summary button under the insights tab, you get to see a graphical representation of what client is usually eating. So as you have logged certain meals before, as we can see in the video, according to it, a graph has been shown here. So if you see, based on whatever the logs the client has done so far, it gives the day on which the log has been done and what all calories the client has consumed. And it's a light green option, as in majorly the green options have been selected by the client. And this is how a graphical representation of their logs can be seen in this section. Also, what exactly the client is eating can also be seen. So to check that, you have to go to this diet plan tab and click on the 7 days plan option. Here, if you can recall that we have logged the diet plan for Sundays and that was 17th November. So you go to the Sunday section and you see certain boxes are under colored zone now. So this means these are the options that the client has logged at their end or whatever they have consumed. So this is how you get to know what exactly the client is consuming. And if you will see, these are the calories that has been eaten by the client. And if you click on this box, there is one black box also which tells you the macros that the client has consumed. So the green color represents that it's a green Nutri-Score green color box. The light yellow color shows it's an average choice. On the color basis and the colored boxes basis, you can understand whatever the client is eating, the portions they are eating, and the total calories that has been consumed by the client. Based on this information, you can guide the client if in case they are going wrong somewhere, or if in case how to improve their eating pattern. Their weak points can be noticed by this information, what all is causing their problem if they're facing any. So all these insights can really help you in understanding the client better and guiding the client better. So always keep a watch on this feature. Next thing, there are certain instructions that you usually recommend to the client, or maybe certain guidelines that you share with the clients. How you can do that is by going to this instruction section. So once you click on this instruction section, this is how the things look like. Normal instruction, as in whatever you generally want to recommend to the client based on their medical condition, or in case they don't have any medical condition, what general information you want to give, as in drink plenty of water, walk for at least 30 to 40 minutes in a day, or maybe if any certain other things that you want to instruct, put it in the normal instruction box. Then if in case you're planning cheat days for the client and want to give certain instruction, you plan it here, and respectively for the detox day. Once the instructions are mentioned, you save it. So these instructions are going to get shared with the client via the PDF that you're going to get download for the client. At the bottom of the PDF, they can see the instructions, or else at the bottom of the diet plan, the client's profile also they can see. So as we have seen, by copying the link, the client's profiles get open and you can see the instructions at the bottom of the screen. So I will show you one example for the same. So if you can see, this is one instruction that I have saved in the client's profile. Drink 7 to 8 glasses of water. Now I will copy the link from here and will open it in the tab. This is the client's profile. We will go to the bottom of the screen, and here at the bottom, the instruction box comes like this. So this is how you can share whatever information you want to share with the client. Now, last but not the least, how you can connect with us. So for that, you need to go to this support button. First is the WhatsApp option. By clicking on the WhatsApp option, you can directly go to the WhatsApp screen on your phone or on your desktop and you can write to us. Other than that, there is one option of FAQ. So once you click on this FAQs button under the support section, these are certain questions that will answer your queries that you might get in the journey of using the dietitian module. You can click on the question that you have and the answer will be reflected. In case you want to know about more information or the FAQ does not support the question that you have, then you can always write to us via mail ID or via WhatsApp, or you can call us as well. This information you can get from the support button and by clicking on this premium plan tab. So once you click on the premium plan tab, you get all the three options: the email ID, phone number of ours, and the WhatsApp chat number. And also the most important information, the plan options that we have. So remember that as I've told you, as a free user, you will only get 5 client accessibility to be added in your dashboard. Post that, you have to buy a premium plan only. And for that, you can directly click on this buy now button and can do the payments. Or else if you have any confusion, any doubt, then as I mentioned, you can connect with us with any of these three options. So I hope this dietitian module is really helpful for you in managing your clients, in managing your own clinic setup. And it's very efficient and less time consuming. So I'm really looking forward to get more dietitians using this module and giving us a positive feedbacks. And always remember that we are here to help you out. Whatever information you are going to give us as in the feedback, we are always going to consider it, and the feedbacks that can be taken care will for sure be looked into. I hope you find this video quite helpful as well. And for any questions, any of your suggestions, always write to us and feel free to use this module. Thank you.